Welcome to the Taste of Eid at Mass Dallas, a celebration of community, heritage, and the shared human values that unite us. Today, we're exploring a common word, the pillars of faith, the significance of Hajj, and the legacy of Abraham. This interfaith event brings people together in Richardson, Texas. We begin with the Quranic verse, "O people of the Scripture, come to a common word between us and you." Across faiths and centuries, this verse is a profound invitation to mutual respect, shared dignity, and honest conversation. We gather this afternoon around that common word. The first four pillars of Islam form the daily architecture of a Muslim's inner and outer life. They are disciplines that resonate with spiritual traditions worldwide. The Shahada is the affirmation of monotheism. Zakat is the structured redistribution of wealth. Psalm cultivates empathy through self-restraint. The fifth pillar is Hajj, the journey to Mecca. Once in a lifetime, if able, every Muslim joins nearly 3 million souls in the world's largest annual peaceful gathering. It is a physical journey to strip away the ego and stand equal before the Creator. Ihram is the great equalizer. Two simple white garments without labels or logos. From heads of state to laborers, all stand visually identical before God. Malcolm X noted this spirit of unity during his Hajj in 1964, demonstrating that social distinctions dissolve in the presence of the divine. The Sa'i, running between Safa and Marwa, honors a mother's struggle. This ritual commemorates Hagar's desperate search for water for her infant son Ishmael. By enshrining this act, Islam declares that a mother's courage, love, and perseverance are sacred and belong at the heart of worship. On Mount Arafat, Prophet Muhammad delivered his final sermon, declaring, "You are all equal." This declaration of universal human equality predates modern human rights by a millennium. This standing, or wukuf, is the heart of Hajj and a rehearsal for the Day of Judgment. The test of Abraham is a profound story shared across Abrahamic faiths. It exemplifies complete trust in the divine, where the willingness to surrender is key. Eid al-Adha commemorates this moment, reminding us that trust in God, even in the hardest moments, is the highest act of worship. The ritual sacrifice of Qurbani is about inner surrender and outward generosity. The Quran states, "It is not their meat nor their blood that reaches God, but your piety." The sacrifice is divided, 1/3 for family, 1/3 for neighbors, and 1/3 for the poor. Today's meal is your share. We welcome you to our table. The threads of this tradition weave toward the same destination: love of God, love of neighbor, and justice for all. As the Quran asks, who could be better in religion than those who direct themselves wholly to God, do good, and follow the religion of Abraham? Eid Mubarak. We are honored you are here.